Hey guys, welcome back. This is Phil from underKG.com, and today we have Galaxy A8 2018. As I mentioned in the Plus variant video, this isn't exactly a successor to the Galaxy A8 2016. This rather replaces Galaxy A5. You can learn it by the model code SM-A530. Let's start with the front facade. We have receiver, series of sensors, and dual front-facing camera, first ever in a Galaxy smartphone. With that, you can enable live focus on your selfie that also is known by the name portrait mode on other devices. Under that is 5.6 inch of Full HD Plus AMOLED display that is covered with 2.5D glass but does not have the edged display. Below that, we have software-enabled navigation bar, back, home, and multitasking. You can swap the order or you can hide it on the apps by double tapping on the navigation bar hiding key. Moving on to the left side, we have volume rocker and the SIM card tray, and on the bottom we have USB Type-C port that is enabled with fast charging and 3.5mm headphone jack along with the microphone. On the right hand side we have power key and speaker above that, which is my preferred position because it's harder to block when you're watching a video on your phone rather than the speakers located in the bottom of the phone. On the rear, we have 16 megapixels of single camera, LED flash, and fingerprint reader under the camera rather than right next to it, which wasn't the most ergonomic position. Below that is Samsung logo, and all of that is covered with a single piece of glass. Inside this very phone lies an Exynos 7885 octa-core processor, along with 4GB of RAM and 32GB or 64GB of storage of your choice. You can further extend that by adding a microSD card on that slot that has dedicated dual SIM card tray. So this is one of the rare phones where you can have dual SIM and microSD card in the same time. The software itself doesn't look too special. It's got Android 7.1.1 Nougat along with Samsung Experience version 8.5. That means it's got the similar look from the Galaxy S8 or the Galaxy Note 8. You can open up the app drawer by swiping any part of the screen, and it has all of your favorite features including Samsung Pay, Bixby Home, reminders, Vision, FM radio, and first ever in a Galaxy A series, Gear VR support. It seems like a feature-packed device along with IP68 water and dust resistance, face recognition, and of course the always-on display when your screen is turned off. And the cameras seem pretty promising as well with the f1.9 front and f1.7 rear. But since this isn't a flagship, Samsung did have to omit some of the features, including the pressure-sensitive home button, although taptic feedback is available. It packs 3000 mAh of battery built inside. You can get this in black, orchid gray, gold, or blue, and this retails in €499. Of course, the pricing may vary depending on the region you're living in. So that was our very quick look on Samsung's new mid-range premium, young premium flagship, somewhere in the middle kind of device, Galaxy A8 2018. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. We'll be back with a review very soon. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.